Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greetings, madam. So today, as you asked me, we will review all my previous presentation. There are 5 of them. For the first, we present about favorite song. As you can recall, I present about the Aerosmith Dream On song, which is my favorite at the time. So secondly, if I recall, we present about our favorite people in history. So I choose Ibn Sina because his medical knowledge. As for the third, I think we present about our favorite idol. This is actually my favorite because I choose the most most influential game programmer. His name is Marcus Persson, the creator of Minecraft. And then finally, but not least, we present about our favorite superhero, which I easily choose Saitama from One Punch Man because of his dedication. Oh, and I almost forgot. We also present about our favorite movie, which I easily choose, The Three Idiots, by Amir Khan as the main character. So if you recall, I told you the movie is about the three engineering students facing difficulties in his college and how they survive comedically. It's a pretty funny movie. You should watch it. So if you ask me which presentation is my favorite, I would say my favorite idol, which is the Minecraft guy. Okay, why this Minecraft person is most influential to me? Because basically his game defined my childhood. Not only his game but his works. He drives me to explore computer stuff and programming knowledge in general. So I very admire him. So yeah, I don't want this video to be too long. I think I get the point straight already. Alright, thank you very much.